Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I am going to be creating a spread in my journal, which is the Sophisticated Florals in the classic size Happy Planner. So it is for the week of November 21st through the 27th. And I'm going to be using quite a few things. So first I'm going to be using those huge Mambi sticks with letters on them. I'm going to be using the Mambi sticks from Rang, and then the black and gold and black and white sticker book. So I am doing more of a black and white and gold spread again. I did really like that in my planner this week, so I decided to do another in my journal and see if I'm gonna enjoy just as much. But if you are here for the first time, welcome. I really hope you like my channel. If you are coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much, and I hope you guys will enjoy this video. So I'm going to be laying out the letters to spell out thankful. I'm starting backwards because I want to see how much room I'm going to have for the girl. I'm not measuring. This is very impromptu. I know it's a little weird, but hey, that's what I'm going to do. It is what it is, right? So thankful it is. So it's gonna take me just a couple minutes to gather all of the letters little by little and add them to the page. But as I'm doing this, I hope you guys will be patient with me. It's a process. These florals on this beautiful Mambi sticks are probably one of my favorites with the flowers. I absolutely adored the Modern Farmhouse sticker book. I still do. It's still in my top sticker book. So if you're like me and you kind of like very elegant floral stuff, you probably like that book too. Okay. Yep. I like muted colors probably a lot more than colorful ones, so that probably is where this comes in for me. Okay, couple more letters and we will be done. Okay, so we have H. That's a little crooked. Let me peel this off and retry again. We're almost there. Almost. This is the tedious process of putting these down. The other trick that you can use is aligning it but on a ruler. But since it was 2 pages for me and I knew it's going to take 2 pages, I kind of just did it freehand. You guys are more than welcome to do it with the ruler. Okay, so one more. Done. There we go. Okay, so this is part of my spread and now I can move on. And this is the Rang girl I want to use. She's like chic and elegant and beautiful. And I want to put her on top of the thankful. So I'm gonna, oh my goodness, what a mess. Okay, I'm gonna keep her up and then I'm gonna go ahead and white out some of these lines to fit her in here. So bear with me. Okay. Don't touch my fuzzy sweater. Don't touch my fuzzy sweater. I think if it touches my fuzzy sweater, it's going to pull out all of these fuzzes from it. So I'm being very extra careful. Okay, and I'm going to remove the 21st and part of that. Okay, perfect. I think it's great. So now I can go ahead and cut off that part. Perfect. So we have thankful with her. The only thing I don't really like is that blue bag because it doesn't really match my spread. But let's see what happens. For now, I'm gonna put all of the grays and blacks and golds in here and see how I feel about it. Okay, so like I said, black and gold, and then black and white sticker books. That's what I'm using today. I think this will be fun. Let's see. So I'm gonna put this big journaling box for the weekend. I think that's really fun. Note to self. Okay, then black and white, and I'm looking through this. I'm sorry, you guys, that you get to watch all of this flipping of the sticker books, but that's part of my process, so sorry. But we're gonna add this hello weekend to this. I think that's gonna be great. Yeah, I think that adds the blackness that I need in here. And then I think I'm gonna go ahead and take a couple of these noted boxes and lay them down for journaling purposes. I think they'll look pretty great. Kind of love my functional stickers. And then I combine them with the rest of it, and I think that's pretty good. So I'll keep doing that. Next up, because of all these golden dots on around the girl, I think I have to bring some gold into the spread on the other side. Just to balance it out. And then of course, let's add some quotes. Wonderful days ahead. Holidays are usually pretty wonderful. I get to spend them with family and have fun. And this year we're hosting, so like I said, even more fun. Can't wait to have everybody in our home and celebrate with them. I think it'll be fun. So this quote says, a beautiful day begins with a beautiful mindset. And yes, half the time it is what you think, right? I really don't like this blue bag, so I'm gonna try to cut it out and see if I can cover it with something. So not my favorite. I love the bag, I just not for this spread, because if you want black and white, this pop of color doesn't help you, right? Okay. Let's see, I'm gonna cut. And then maybe I can do something else with it. Let's see. You guys, I cut my stickers all the time. I don't know why, but I do. Like if the color doesn't match or something. I almost wish I had the acrylograph pen so I could switch the color, but I don't, so I'm not going to mess with it. Let's keep going. A few more boxes, and then like I said, we're gonna have to add some gold to balance it out on the other side. I don't know, I'm trying to get her to have something. I don't know what. Let's see, what can I give her? Can I give her this flower? And it'll be like a round bag kind of, maybe. Let's see. I don't know, but I'm leaving it. I think it's good. Okay, let's see what's next. I definitely want to add maybe another quote to this side. I'm gonna add this with that gold flare, so this way it will kind of bring the gold to this side, and I'll say happy. It is Thanksgiving, so in that little white space I can write Thanksgiving. We shall see what I decide to do with it. Sorry, my head is popping, and here I am wearing one of those like huge bath bows to keep my hair away, because usually I have so much hair in these Plan With Me's. So I've been wearing almost like a headband to keep them away, but now this huge bow is popping in. I never win, do I? Okay, now I'm gonna add another box on Sunday. I think that's gonna do really, really well. And now I'm going to remove all of the pink dates and all of the pink out of the spread. If I went so far as to cut out her bag, I'm gonna redate those as well to make them black. And I am going to use the Mojo Jojo Redate sticker book. I love it. I think it's fantastic. So let's do it. The first time I tried it, it was in my dashboard. So this is going to be the second time I'm using her numbers. And like I said, I really enjoy it. I think she did a great job designing this. There we go. I can continue from here. I don't know why it has so many days of the week, which I'm not going to use, because most of the planners, even the undated ones, have Monday through Sunday labeled. You just add numbers. So I wish she did more numbers and months, but this is such a large book that honestly it's all of these are kind of like extra, so I'm not gonna complain. I know, I am not numbering them in order. I am so sorry, you guys. Just don't know what to do. I just do whatever. Clearly, right? Clearly. Okay, and now we need November. I'm just gonna add the month of November in here. Here we go. Okay, I think that works. Perfect. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add few more details and we will be all set with this Plan With Me. So almost done. I want the box by the girl so I can plan her, especially because I practically took out Monday and there's nothing on Monday that I can write, but that's gonna be a pretty boring day, I hope, work-wise and otherwise. So let's see. So I'm gonna put work hard, stay humble above the thankful. I think that thankful is so beautiful, you guys. I really do. And I'm gonna add this black box to this one to bring just tiny bit more of that black box look in here. I think that is pretty good. Let's see. I'm just flipping through books, trying to find what speaks to me. This is sometimes so hard. As you can see, I am struggling with the spread. I know what I want. I don't know if I can find it. So it's one of those weird conundrums. Okay, so hard. I'm gonna add this style of sticker because it's underneath her feet. to this, and I'm gonna put dreams don't work unless you do. And I'm gonna leave tiny little space for Thursday because that's gonna be a busy day for me. Well, this is gonna be a busy half of the week, honestly. Anyway, that's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed that one. I know it's a little bit different, but let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Thanks for joining. Bye!